Sorting and graphing. We've learned how to sort and we've also learned how to graph. So if you forgot, that's okay, but we're going to go over them again today. Okay? When we sort, we take things and we put them into different groups based on different things. If we look right here, we can sort things by different colors. So all the bears that are red go together, all the bears that are orange go together, all the bears that are blue go together, all the bears that are green go together, and all the bears that are yellow go together. Here it shows us we can sort things by different shapes. So we have all the triangles together, all the squares together, all the circles together, and all the rectangles together. We can also sort things by size. Size means big, medium, or small. So we have all the big elephants here, we have all the medium dogs here, and we have all the small ants here. So that's how we sort things. We're going to practice sorting on the next pages. It says at the top, how can we sort these? Question mark. So what do you see? We see bears. But all the bears are different sizes? No, they're all the same size. They're all different shapes? No, they're all the same shape, right? But they're different colors, right? I see red bears, I see blue bears, and I see orange bears, okay? So we can put them all together by different colors. So let's start moving the bears. So we have a blue bear over here, another blue bear, another blue bear, orange bears over here, another orange bear over here, and another orange bear over here. And then we can move the red bears over here, another red bear over here, and another red bear over here. Now we've moved all the different animals, or all the different bears, into different groups based on colors. Here we have blue bears, over here we have orange bears, and then over here we have red bears. So blue, red, orange. Good. How can we sort these? Are these all different colors? Yeah. Are they all different sizes? Yeah, they're all kind of different sizes. Are all they different shapes? Yeah. So now we have to pick one that makes sense. Okay, when I'm trying to sort things into groups, I have to figure out which one makes the most sense. We have things that are different colors, right? But do you see things that are more yellow than just the door? Well, maybe the pizza. Do you see things that are more purple? This one, maybe. Do you see things that are more red? The watermelon and the envelope. Do you see anything that's brown besides the wheel? Or silver besides the triangle? Or blue besides the button? No, those are by themselves, so that doesn't make sense. We could put them into groups based on color, but what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sort these by shapes. Because I see different shapes. Over here the pizza is a triangle. I see the clock is a circle, and the notebook is a rectangle, and the wheel is a circle, and the door is a rectangle, and the button is a circle. I see different kinds of shapes. So I'm going to start moving the shapes based on shapes, okay? So let's move the triangles together. So the triangle and the pizza are triangles, and so is the watermelon. I'm going to put the circles together, the clock and the wheel, and the button. Those are circles. And then I see rectangles. I'm going to put the envelope in the door and the notebook. Now I have them in groups based on shapes. Over here, what shape are these? Triangles. Good. Over here, what shape are these? Circles. Oh, and up here we have rectangles. Okay, so we have rectangles and circles. Good. Oh boy, how can we sort these? What are these? They're all different kinds of balls, right? I see a soccer ball, I see a basketball, I see a tennis ball, and we have to sort them all. But how? Are they all different shapes? No, they're all circles, right? All the balls are circles. Are they all different colors? Yeah, but the basketballs are all orange, right? And the tennis balls are all green, and the soccer balls are all black and white. Okay? And we can think about sizes, right? Sizes are big, medium, or small. Are they all different sizes? They are, okay? So we can sort these two ways, okay? The first way we're going to sort them is by the kind of ball they are, or maybe the color they are. So first I'm going to put all the basketballs together. So all the basketballs, the orange ones go together. And then I'm going to put all the yellow tennis balls together. And then I'm going to put all the black and white soccer balls together. we sorted them into 3 different groups. So down here we have the basketballs, we have the soccer balls, and we have all the tennis balls, okay? But I can put them all back, and then we could do that another way. We can sort them by the size. So all the balls that are big, all the balls that are medium, and all the balls that are small, okay? Do you see all the big balls? Yeah, so we have a big basketball right here, a big tennis ball right here, and a big soccer ball right here. So we can put all the big balls together. Next, let's do the medium balls, okay? The balls that are in the middle, not big or not little, but they're medium. So all the medium balls together. And then last is all the small balls go together. Okay, so now we sorted them again. The big balls are together, the medium balls are together, and the little balls are together. So big balls over here, medium balls over here, and small balls are over here. All right, how can we sort these? What are these? Fruits, right? What kind of fruit do you see? See strawberries, oranges. Do you know what kind of fruit this is? It's a pear. And what kind of fruit is this? A banana, right? Can we sort these by color? Yeah, right? We have the strawberries are red. We could put all the red ones together. We could put all the oranges together because they're orange. We could put the green pears together, and we could put the yellow bananas together. Are they all different sizes? Not really. They're all kind of small, right? Are they all different shapes? Yeah, they are different shapes, but I think the different shapes means there's different kinds of fruits that they are. So I'm going to sort them by what kind of fruit they are, okay? So let's put all the strawberries together. So there's a strawberry, there's another strawberry, there's another strawberry, there's another strawberry, and let's put all the pears together. And then put all the oranges down here. And then the last fruit we have to sort is the bananas. So we'll put the bananas together. Good, okay? So up here we have all the strawberries together, all the pears together, all the oranges together, and all the bananas together. Okay? Now that we sorted them, we put them all into groups together based on what kind of fruit they are, okay? Now we're going to graph them, okay? Graph. You guys have heard that word graph before because we've used the weather graph, right? Every day it's sunny, we would color in the sunny day. Every day it's cloudy, we would color the cloudy day. Do you remember that? So what we're going to do is we're going to take this graph and we're going to put the fruit into the graph, okay? So down here, this is where all the strawberries go. This is where all the oranges go. This is where all the pears go. And this is where the bananas go, okay? So just like when we do the weather graph, right? You got to color in all the spots that fill up the strawberries, and then the oranges, and then the pears, and the bananas. But since it's on the computer, I'm not going to color them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the strawberries into the boxes so we can see how many strawberries we had. Are you ready? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strawberries. Next, let's put the oranges in their box. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 oranges. And then let's do the pears next. We have 1, 2, 3 pears. And then the last one is the banana. 1, 2 bananas. Okay? Does that make sense? So now they're all graphed. So we can look in the graph, and with our eyes we can see which ones are the most and the least. Are you ready? So let's count again the strawberries. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The oranges we had 1, 2, 3, 4. The pears we have 1, 2, 3. And the bananas we have 1, 2 bananas, right? We don't count these ones on the bottom. These are just the pictures that showed us where to put the strawberries and the oranges and the pears and the bananas. We only count the ones that are inside the graph, okay? So now this question says, which fruit has the most? What does most mean? Most means the biggest, right? So if we look with our eyes, we can see that what fruit has the biggest one? The strawberry, right? It has 5, which means it has the most. Good. The next question is, which fruit has the least? What does least mean? It means the smallest, right? The smallest one, okay? The least. So if we look with our eyes, which fruit has the least amount? Number 2, the bananas, right? Good job, okay? We're going to practice reading some more graphs. Your graph is not This graph turned out to look like a staircase, right? Like you can go up the stairs, boop, 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 boop. Sometimes the graph isn't going to look like that. It's going to be big here, little here, big here, little here. It just depends, okay? Great job.